So guys, waiting for nanay. Ano siya din in 3, 2, 1. Ano siya?
Magic!
Welcome to Iloilo.
Finally! Hi guys! First meal of the day.
Daw wala gid chowking sa Marvel.
Chowking! Baka
Ano
naman!
ba?
We're going to Guimaras! What an adventure!
Mag-change career ka na lang ga, Madre. Kakakaroon.
Ito baton kay nasunog na ko. Dako na to electric fan. Nay, feel ko mahulog siya, Nay. Pilingon.
Come take you off my mind. See what through me. Leave the past behind.
Ready?
Marathon niya.
Hapo siya eh.
In the age of 20s to 30s, this is how
Come take you off my mind. See what through me. Leave the past behind. Come take you off my mind. See what through me. Leave the past behind.
We are back to the world. Hindi pa po namin nagkata kami sa langit. Pero naginutan kami so basi sa impyerno kami. Namin sa langit guys.
walking, ano na ko.
Grabe, magchismisan talaga diyan. Good morning. Last day in Iloilo. Wala tulog. Gigi, Jerez.
Kasi yung first generation was Mansenia. And then yung gasa po is ginagamit nila for fishing, tawag po dyan, buya naman, or principal. Meron itong 46 degrees in 16 skies. So, walk sideways lang po hanggang taas. Then yung bilang po dito is parang tatamata. So, dito sila nag-enginos every 6 p.m. Santo Niño po.
Henshin!
Nabal.
Advice mo kay Hillary. At
Oh, advice kay Hailey.
Makita yan eh,
Hailey.
10 years from now. Go na na eh.
Hello, mic test. This is your Tita Ninang / your Mamila. Hi, Hailey. Advance happy birthday to you. Kung may buot ka na, makita mo na ni, tani ma-happy ka, kag ma-realize mo how loved ka sa everyone. And we wish you a healthy life ahead and a progressive life. To your parents, Kokol and Hernie, Magdako si Hailey ng butan, lapit sa Ginoo, ka very down to earth nga bata. We love you so much, Hailey. Tani, pagdako mo, di mo kami pagkalimtan ng mga tita ninangs
Time mo
mo.
lang.
Sa pagdako mo, pwede mo na kayo palapitan. Hindi ka na magkabalaka sa parents mo. Kami mas spoil sa imo.
Char, ikaw lang. Wala
Oh. Happy birthday!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! And cut!